Hey, it's Daniel from Walker. I wanted to show a couple of rolling production changes that are available on some of our newest decks. These changes are also rolling out on additional decks in the future. First, the edge stiffener. We've increased the overall thickness of the stiffener by 1/16 of an inch. And also, we've made it 1/4 inch taller. This is an overall improvement of 66% in both thickness and in height. It adds additional strength to the deck housing by protecting the front and the sides of the deck from everyday wear and tear. Next, we developed replaceable wear edge strips. These also increase the life of your Walker mowing deck and can easily be replaced as they wear out. Here's how they work. When the bottom of the wear strip has worn close to the deck housing, simply remove the 4 Torx bolts and flip it over. When both edges have worn, you can simply remove and replace the entire wear strip. The bolts are threaded into T-nuts, which are inserted from the inside of the deck housing. These features will become available on additional decks in the future. They're not retrofittable to previous decks. Additional replaceable wear edges can be purchased as a part kit from your local Walker dealer. Hey, thanks for watching, and make sure you check with your local dealer about the new decks from Walker.